Magandang gabi po sa kanilang lahat. Ako po si Roman Guerrero. Ang araw po na ito ay tungkol sa selebrasyon ng aking installation para sa pagiging master, worshipful master ng lohya ng Frank Reed Horton Masonic Lodge 379.
Brethren, this lodge is convened for the purpose of installing the elected and appointed officers for the ensuing Masonic year. After this lodge is called from labor to refreshment, the officers to be installed will prepare themselves of the ceremony of installation, will also retire and surrender their jewels to the assistant master of ceremonies and give them to their successors at the anteroom.
As Junior Warden of the Frank Reed Horton Memorial Lodge number 379, we are inviting you to join with us of the 16th public installation of elected and appointed officers of this lodge. Thank you and mabuhay.
Come here at the 16th public installation of Frank Reed Horton Masonic Lodge number 379. Thank you for coming again and witness this program tonight. Thank you.
Una sa lahat, ako'y nagpapasalamat sa Panginoong Ama sa pagbibigay sa akin ng pagkakataon at ang kanyang patnubay na marating ko ang isa sa pinaka mataas na maaaring tanggapin ng isang mason sa kanyang lohya, ang pagiging worshipful master.
And as I love all my dear nobility of Maguinoo, I know in my heart, Worshipful Master Roman Guerrero loves his Frankies with all his heart, mind, and soul. After all, it is only by loving those he serves that a servant, a Worshipful Master, truly serves. And that for you, under Worshipful Master Roman, this year will be the difference.
Before entering upon any great or important undertaking, we should first invoke the blessing of God.
Our Father, which art in heaven, whose wisdom and goodness manifest themselves throughout all the works of creation. With filial love and reverence, we invoke thy blessing upon thy children here assembled, and thy grace to consecrate the labors we have met to perform. We commend to thy special care and guidance these officers lately chosen, into whose hands we are about to repose the government of this lodge. Endue them with a just appreciation of the responsibilities they are about to assume. May they ever be mindful that the Father's care is always over them, and that thine all-seeing eye is ever upon them. Bless and prosper our beloved fraternity.
We know that all good things come from you, so accept our thanks for all those enriching things that have come to us. We pray a special prayer for those before us who are assuming new responsibilities in this Masonic organization. We are grateful for those who have led us through the past years. It is because they were strong and dedicated to the high principles of Masonry that we are here today. While we are proud of our past, we anticipate an even richer future under the leadership of our officers who will be installed today.
Isang panggeograpikong sakop ng mga lupain na walang kabawasan. Isang republika, democratic, malaya at nagsasanay. Ito'y isang sagisag ng pambansang kalayaan na nagsasalarawan ng lahat ng kaakit-akit at dinadakila sa buhay ng Pilipino. Hinubog ng matitipunong kamay ng panahon Binigyang buhay ng isang mapagmahal sa kalayang mga mamamayan at inalay sa mapagpalang diwa sa luklukan ng mga bansa. Naging pamalagi ang palatandaan nito ng ating pagmamana at nabubuhay na sagisag ng ating mga karapatan ng tayo ay bilang. Sa kanyang pangalan, itinala ng kasaysayan ng pagkakatuklas at pagkatatag ng isang bansa. Ang kaluluwa nito ay mabubuhay hanggang sa wakas ng panahon at ang kanyang matatayog na adika ay matatapos lamang kapag ang mga bansa at mga lahi ay magmalim ng berat.
Yeah. Ay, we that breed that build greatness. What we got can't be taken. We made gold from that fire, from sticks and stones and empire. Life of a beast, born from humility, thrown from the nest, but it forged our ability. In fierce face, our faith's to God now. Cause we don't got no plans to stop now. Here by the blood, made by the sweat, strong by the tears, and we earn the respect. It's a house we protect, confidence we project. We as real as it gets, you will never forget.
Look me down.
Yeah.
I was born to fight and I won't stop now.
Won't stop now.
I'm ready to go.
Yeah.
Fire up, round to blow. Stand down. I'm in it to win it.
You don't
know me yet.
Yeah. What?
You're gonna know my name.
Y'all gon' know my name. And y'all gon' know my name. Y'all gon' know my name.